Hi, educators. In this video, I will show you how to use the whiteboard in Microsoft Teams. In Microsoft Teams, you'll click the plus sign on the top toolbar. Then frequently used apps will appear in alphabetical order. You'll find Whiteboard toward the bottom, or you can type Whiteboard in the search bar to find it. Once you select Whiteboard, you will be prompted to give your whiteboard a name. You can name it according to your course. Then at the bottom, you can choose to announce that you've created a whiteboard in the channel, or deselect this option if not. If you accidentally select the wrong app, you can click the back button, but this is the one we want, so I will click Save. A whiteboard tab will now appear on your toolbar for easy access. When you access the whiteboard, you can choose to be the only one that can edit the whiteboard, or you have the option to allow collaboration. I'm going to go with only you can edit. However, if I change my mind, I can always change the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. In settings, you can turn collaboration on or off. At the top of the whiteboard are your writing options. Choose the option that works best for you and your students, and lecture away. This is such an awesome feature. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if this video was helpful. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell to be notified of future videos.